Hey guys, good morning. So today we're doing a little bit of running around, so I figured I'd make a vlog. We're about to hit 2,500 followers on TikTok. Love you guys, appreciate you guys so much. I want to give back to you guys because you guys have been crazy nice to me. You guys have been making videos for me and sharing my stuff and liking my stuff. So I'm gonna give back, making you guys a cool video today. Gotta go pick up a few things. Gotta go pick up wood, fireworks. Those are two things we got to pick up, and we got a bunch of moped stuff to do today, so I figured I'd make a vlog of it. So we're gonna make a video on TikTok, and then the vlog here is obviously for the YouTube channel. So let's go. First stop, get some fireworks. All right, so made it to Walmart. Time to get our fireworks. All right, guys, got the fireworks here. All right, so I'm at the wood store here. Gonna go buy some wood. So the reason I want some wood is because I want to make a ramp, and then I want to jump it with some fireworks. All right, so I think I found our wood here. It's pretty expensive. I mean, it's 12 bucks. It's not too bad, but still, I'm American, so I like to complain. All right, so I bought the wood so I can obviously make a ramp. So like I said, guys, today I'm making a vlog of making a video for the 2,500 subscribers on TikTok. That's huge to me. I really appreciate you guys for sharing my stuff and liking my stuff and making videos of me and whatnot, and that's super cool. So I want to give back to you guys, and I don't know, try to make a funny video, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, we got the wood for the ramp, and we got the fireworks for the fireworks. Let's head home and start building a ramp. Time to build a ramp. Full disclosure, I am not a woodworker. I'm a moped enthusiast. However, a little bit of safety first. About to do a trial run with my bicycle. Let's see how this goes. All right, guys, bike test went okay. I'm feeling a lot better about the whole jump. So it's time to give it a try with the bike. I'm gonna be using my Moto Guzzi, and you already know, safety first, baby. Well, there we go. So, I mean, everything worked out perfect. I mean, the ramp might break later, you know, when I'm actually filming it. But, yeah, I'm super happy with it. Everything went together well. Moto Guzzi didn't break. That's also a plus, so that's really cool. Yeah, so all we got to really do left is film this thing and go from there. So thanks for sticking around, guys. I'm going to drop the video here so you guys can see it too. Thanks for watching, guys. Seriously appreciate all the love. And here's to the next 2,500. Thanks, guys. So I was thinking, what should I do for the 2,500 follower special video? And, you know, I just kind of... Is that a ramp? I think that's a ramp. Riding on the pavement, don't thanks guys for following and sharing and everything you guys do for me. Here's to the next 2,500. Well, guys, I broke my ramp, but I want to do that one more time, so I'm just gonna send it on that. Check that out, guys. I completely destroyed my ramp.